Hey, what's up guys, this is group break from eBay, and what you see here is the box break number 134 for a 2011 and 12 SP Authentic Hockey. This was the last auction team, which was the Winnipeg Jets. Auction ended on July 15th 2012 at 9:18 p.m. Winner of this auction, Craigman 1984. And here's the list of the people that are in this break number 134, with their eBay ID right next to the team or teams they bought. So scrolling down to the Jets. There we go. Here's the box. Seal. There we go. And the serial number of that box is 163211261. As listed in my auctions. Alright guys, make sure you join in on our blog room, blog TV room. It's blogtv.com/people/DillisOldJoe, same ID as my YouTube, because we'll be live this Wednesday evening, at around 8:30 p.m. Eastern time with another case break of that stuff. So this one is already full. We might announce a new one soon, so if you want in, let us know ASAP, because the spots are going fast. It's a nice product this year. They've included a lot of rookie stuff, so it's real fun. Anyway, check out my website. It's gonna be you're gonna have all the details in there. The link is going to be to my website is going to be in the box down below. Thank you. Alright, let's see. Let's do this. Rookie Holo FX Devils, Adam Henrique. Rookie for the Penguins, Simon Després. On base. Rookie Holo FX, Sean Couturier. Back to back, good rookie Holo FX. Couturier and Henry. Future Watch non-auto out of $9.99 for the Blackhawks of Jimmy Hayes. A's. Rookie for the San Jose Sharks, goaltender Ari Sateri. For the Sharks. Rookie for the Flyers of Kevin Marshall. Rookie for the Flyers, Matt Reed. Flyers have a lot of rookies in that product. It would be fun to get a patch. Another rookie Holo FX, Blake Geoffrion, Nashville. And our first rookie auto, Montreal Aaron Palushai out of 999. First auto. Rookie Islanders David Holmstrom. Another Future Watch non-auto of $9.99 David Holmstrom. So any David Holmstrom fans would be pleased. Base pack. Rookie for the Jets of Carl Klingberg. SP Essentials for the Kings, Anze Kopitar. Rookie for Buffalo, TJ Brennan. Eight packs left. 2/3 out of the way. Still missing 2 auto, and we have a patch. Sick. Alright. Let's hope it's a rookie. Oh, Jesus. Wow, what a patch. Number to 100. We pulled one in our case last time, but this patch is even better, even though the first patch we pulled was nice. Louis Leblanc. Look at the patch. Jesus Christ. Congrats to Carlos and Diego. Carlos and Diego. Louis Leblanc. Number to 100. This patch is amazing. And sign of the times for the Blues, Philip McRae. So I think we did it for 3 auto. And 2 out of the 3 were Montreal hits. Rookie for the Flames of Roman Orak. Rookie Tampa Bay Brett Connolly. Rookie for the Flyers Zach Rinaldo. 3 packs left. Rookie Buffalo Corey Trapp. SP Essentials for the Rangers Mark Messier. And the last pack. rookie Ottawa Andre Peterson. There we go, guys. Thanks for watching. This Louis LeBlanc patch is sick. Sorry, I have to use that word, even though I hate it, but it's a sick patch. So thanks, guys, for watching, and make sure you check out my website and my other auctions and the case break, and join us in their blog room for one Wednesday evening for the case break. And also, that's it. Thanks, guys, for watching. See ya.